Natural treatment methods for healing and repair of a protruding disc. A protruding disc can cause pain and affect daily life, with causes ranging from aging to obesity. It requires a comprehensive understanding of symptoms, risk factors, and lifestyle impacts. Healing a protruding disc naturally involves exercises, physical therapy, proper posture, dietary changes, supplements, hydration, and alternative therapies like chiropractic care and acupuncture. Creating a tailored treatment routine involves assessing your specific condition, setting realistic goals, monitoring progress, and embracing emotional support and mindfulness techniques. Real-life examples of recovery and resources like Get Your Life Back, the ultimate guide to healing a herniated disc, provide inspiration and a tangible roadmap to a life free from pain. A protruding disc is more than just a medical term. It's a painful reality that can disrupt every aspect of your life. But what if the path to healing didn't have to involve surgery or heavy medications? What if you could take control of your recovery through natural, safe, and non-invasive methods? You're not alone in this journey, and the answers you seek are within reach. In the newest article published by HealYourBulgingDisc.com, we'll explore the world of protruding discs, from understanding what they are to the causes and how they can affect your daily life. We'll then dive into the heart of natural healing, uncovering exercises, dietary changes, and alternative therapies that have proven effective. You'll learn how to create a personalized healing plan tailored to your specific condition, and we'll share real-life success stories that will inspire and motivate you. Get ready to take the first step towards a pain-free life. Whether you've been struggling with this condition for years or have just been diagnosed, this article is your roadmap to recovery. Embrace a future where you're in control, where pain doesn't dictate your life. The path to healing starts here, and it's paved with natural, empowering methods that can truly make a difference. Visit the link in the video description to read the full article today.